Welcome to the Coastal Craft Fill-In channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to replace the filter cartridge for your Aqueon 2.5 gallon Bettabow. So I got this small filter cartridges replacement from Walmart. It comes in 3 for the small and it's about $10. So as you can see in my previous videos, I have 2 of this Bettabow 2.5 gallon for my 2 betas, Bubbles and Luna. So the original set came with a filter itself, but I haven't changed it since then. I just made my own DIY carbon. I made a hole on the filter pad and then I removed the carbon and replaced it with like a carbon, but it's really making a mess in the aquarium, so I decided to just buy some replacements. So this is the replacement. So for the 2.5 gallon, you should buy the small, and I think it should last you like probably 3 to 6 months. So this is how you do it. Just pull the like faucet thing on the side and just stick it in. It's pretty easy. And so this is my first fish tank. Let's proceed to the next one. So this is my second Bettabow. I have already removed the old one. I chunked it, and let's put in the new one. Hoping that this would make the beta a little bit happier. They would have a cleaner tank. So I just cleaned this tank as well, and I hope this video helps. See you in the next one.